Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find a Coinbase promo code. So there are 3 ways where you can find a promo code for a Coinbase. So I'll be teaching you all 3. The first is searching online for promo codes. Go to a search engine like Google and type in Coinbase promo code or Coinbase discount code. Look through the results, focusing on websites known for listing promo codes like Retail Me Not, Coupons.com, or dedicated cryptocurrency forums and communities like Reddit. Second way is check official Coinbase promotions. Visit the official Coinbase website and look for any current promotions or referral programs. Often companies will run special promotions that could be found directly on their websites and newsletters or via their social media channels. And the last and third way is to join a cryptocurrency community. Participate in cryptocurrency-related forums, social media groups, or chat platforms like Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, or Telegram. Community members often share promo codes or referral links that could be offering discounts or bonuses. Using these steps, you should be able to find a valid Coinbase promo code to use.